Digital signatures in Busy. In this presentation, we'll discuss about using digital signatures in Busy. Digital signature is a specific type of e-signature that guarantees the authenticity of a document. Digital signatures are as authentic as handwritten signatures, and invoices, documents that are digitally signed can be immediately delivered to recipients over email. To use digital signatures in Busy, there are certain prerequisites. First prerequisite or first requirement we can say is the installation of third-party software on the system where Busy is installed. That is, you are required to install the third-party software on the system where you have installed the Busy software. And second requirement is a valid digital signature certificate dongle, that is a DSC dongle. So these two are the prerequisites for using digital signatures feature in Busy. Also, DSC dongle must be connected to the system when you are using the digital signature feature, that is while configuring or while sending invoices to the parties. DSC dongle must be connected to the system in order to digitally sign the document. To configure the digital signature feature, first of all, we'll go to Administration, Configuration, Features Options, General tab. Here we'll specify yes in the Apply Digital Signature in Invoice Document option. Next, we'll click the configuration button. On clicking the configuration button, first option is select digital signature software vendor. This option is showing list of third-party softwares with whom Busy has collaborated. You can select the vendor or the company whose software you are using. Then is available digital signature certificate. Select the authorized signatory name from the list that needs to be printed on the invoice documents. In this list, the names that you have registered at the time of issuing DSC dongle will appear. So you can select the required name that you want to be printed as authorized signatory on the invoices or documents. Then password and then search string to place digital signature. You'll specify a string here, and in the invoice wherever this string will be found, digital signature will be applied on top of this string. For example, here we have written authorized. In the invoice or document where authorized signatory is written, so Busy will find the authorized search string there, and it will place the digital signature right above this string. Similarly, you can specify any other search string also. If you leave this field as blank, then Busy will automatically search for authorized search string. And if you specify some text here, and if Busy would not be able to find the search string, then digital signatures will be printed at the left hand side of the footer of the invoice. Click Save button to save the configuration. Now we are going to our transactions part. We are adding a sales voucher. Here we are selecting the party as Charm Trading Company, specifying the item related details. Click Save button to save the voucher. Here Busy is asking to print the invoice. Click Yes button. We are printing the invoice in standard format. Now specify Y in the Apply Digital Signature only for PDF option. In the search string to place digital signature, by default the search string we have specified at the time of configuration is appearing here. If you want, you can specify any other search string also. Then we are exporting this invoice into the PDF format. Now we'll open the invoice in PDF format, and at the bottom of the invoice you can see for smart traders digital signatures are appearing right above the authorized signatory. So we have specified the search string as authorized and digital signatures are placed right above it. Next, we are opening a sales voucher in modify mode, clicking the email button. Here we are emailing this invoice to a party. Specify the email ID, so you can specify the header and footer and click send button to send the email. Now we are opening the email, that is the email we have just sent. We are opening this email from the email ID to which we have sent the mail. Here you can see a preview option is appearing. You can download the invoice. So we are downloading the invoice, and in the invoice you can see at the bottom digital signatures have been applied. So this is a very easy step. You can export invoices to the PDF format, and you can email the digitally signed invoices to the party. The option of digital signature is also provided for certain reports, such as statement of account, confirmation of account, and payment reminders. We are opening statement of account under outstanding analysis. Here we are opening it in the standard format for one account. We are printing covering letter for this also by clicking the yes button in the message box. We are viewing this report for Shyam Trading Company. Here again Busy is asking apply digital signature only for PDF. We are specifying yes in this option, and again search string to place digital signature is showing default search string. You can change it as per your requirement if you want. Click the export button to export this report in the PDF format. We have exported the report in PDF format, and on opening the report you can see at the bottom digital signatures are appearing. So apart from invoices, you can use digital signatures in certain reports also. One more point that needs to be discussed here is the user profile option. That is, you can specify rights for users also, that whether the user is allowed to use digital signatures or not. For this, we'll go to the user profile, that is user modify option. Here, allow to digitally sign documents option is provided. If you specify yes in this option, then the user will be allowed to digitally sign the documents, that is, he is allowed to use the digital signature. And if you specify no in this option, then user will not be able to use the digital signature feature. This is all we have to cover in this presentation. Hope after going through this presentation, you would be able to easily use digital signatures in Busy. Thanks for watching. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel.